I am here from Repairmadi for picking up the device. We have committed that 24/7 we pick the device. So on my way, I'm almost all off the way. So I'll be reaching the customer place within a while. I'll just check the route map. Give me a second. Should go straight and take a left turn. I think I am at the customer's place. I think it's time to call the customer. Street dogs everywhere. Hello.
Route location
Yeah, sir. Calling from Repairmadi about your device pickup. I'm at the place where you have sent the location, sir.
yeah. I'm in.
Okay.
One sec.
Meanwhile, I'll just park my vehicle. I just heard the sound over there. Okay, I'll come this one. Customer is there. 1 second. What's the issue, sir?
Issue is that it is not on.
It's not turning on, is it?
It's not turning on. For every time I try to charge, I don't get any signals or anything.
Okay.
And sometimes I use it. It works sudden. Last 2 weeks back, I on it somehow. It started working. I did everything clean and I did my test, whatever test is there.
What we do is we'll just take the device, we'll do general diagnostic check on it, and we'll let you know what's the issue about it.
Okay.
Then we'll go further and we'll repair it. Okay?
The only thing I needed by tomorrow.
We'll see to it, sir.
Tomorrow at 11. That's what it is.
Okay, sir. 1 second.
I'm short of time.
Yeah.